Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Oxford as a cathedral city and non-metropolitan district in Oxfordshire, England, of which it is the county town. Founded in the 8th century, it was granted city status in 1542. The city is located at the confluence of the rivers Thames, locally known as the Isis, and Cherwell. It had a population of 163,257 in 2022. Oxford, a city in central southern England, revolves around its prestigious university, established in the 12th century. The architecture of its 38 colleges in the city's medieval center led poet Matthew Arnold to nickname it the City of Dreaming Spires. University College and Magdalen College are off the High Street, which runs from Carfax Tower, with city views, to the Botanic Garden on the River Cherwell. It is 56 miles, 90 kilometers, northwest of London, 64 miles, 103 kilometers, southeast of Birmingham and 61 miles, 98 kilometers, northeast of Bristol. The city is home to the University of Oxford, the oldest university in the English-speaking world. It has buildings in every style of English architecture since late Anglo-Saxon. Oxford's industries include motor manufacturing, education, publishing, science, and information technologies. The history of Oxford in England dates back to its original settlement in the Saxon period. Originally of strategic significance due to its controlling location on the upper reaches of the River Thames at its confluence with the River Cherwell, the town grew in national importance during the early Norman period, and in the late 12th century became home to the fledgling University of Oxford. The city was besieged during the Anarchy in 1142. During the Middle Ages, Oxford had an important Jewish community, of which David of Oxford and his wife Lycurcia of Winchester were prominent members. The university rose to dominate the town. A heavily ecclesiastical town, Oxford was greatly affected by the changes of the English Reformation, emerging as the seat of a bishopric and a full-fledged city. During the English Civil War, Oxford housed the court of Charles I and stood at the heart of national affairs. The city began to grow industrially during the 19th century, and had an industrial boom in the early 20th century, with major printing and car manufacturing industries. These declined, along with other British heavy industry, in the 1970s and 1980s, leaving behind a city which had developed far beyond the university town of the past. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and